In this video, you'll learn that there is a quick way to significantly improve work efficiency and reduce costs. I'm talking about AI-assisted data transformation. Let me give you just one example. As an IT contract staffing company, we work with a lot of CVs that need to be anonymized for data privacy, standardized for transparency, and summarized for quick review. This means massive manual workload for our team, as they spend 45 to 60 minutes on a single CV. Enter Esmeralda, an AI-powered custom solution using OpenAI and custom Python code. This is how CVs with various formats and structures are converted into a standard, anonymized version. Let's peek under the hood to see how it works. Using Esmeralda, time spent on a CV is reduced from 45 to 5 minutes. And what are the benefits? We save on working time and cost. We increase transparency, and finally, job satisfaction is higher in the team. Just to recap, by using Esmeralda, we reduce the time spent on anonymizing and standardizing CVs by 89%. Do you see an opportunity to increase work efficiency in your company by leveraging AI's potential? Let's talk.